welcome back. Hello, guys. Hello, kids. Hello, or welcome back to IR Free Online Class Malayalam. So, in today's video, we are going to teach you about the basics of Python, and in upcoming videos, we will teach you the upcoming Pythons and how to install and set up and how to download the apps created by that and variables in Python and etc. In today we are going to teach you about some basics of Python. So Python is a software which we can Python is a software which is created for for making apps and uploading for Play Store. Python is a software, and it is a good thing. And there are so many courses and also for high fees, but we are teaching it for you free. So the Python is a very good thing, and it is this platform is Microsoft Windows. It can be operated in Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Unix, Android, and it can be used in Android also. So in this much classes, we are trying the Python for online without setup in any softwares. After the last classes, we will teach you how to install and set up Python, and while by using that, you can you can do you can do things. So now let's see how the basics of Python. So how you can use Python. So to use Python, just search that Python try online free. You want to just search that Python online free. So this first you want to click on the first right online Python IDE editor completed interpreter. So this is also like Python, it's same feature, and when you open it, it will be in this day version. So you didn't want to use this. The better will be night version. You want to practice on the night version, because if you want to create a big apps, there will and you want to erase this by backspace. If you want to create big apps, there will be 1 2 and hours. So that time the bright version will damage your eyes fast. So it's better to use night version. So in this first option is to copy and document, and second option is to download, and third option to erase, and like this the options are. In the basic, you need to know only these three options. So this is called copy, this is called download, this is called erase. So now let's see. Now this is uh, in Python. We can see results. So in today we are going to. So if you want to make an app. So in that app, you want to type in the front. You want to type hello, how are you? So you if you want to type something in a Python document, you want to first try print. You want to first try print. So this is the don't type print. If you type pr, there will be this option keyword like this print you want to do. So there will be a little bluish color will appear on print. So next you want to do is click on the spacebar. So after clicking on this, you don't need to click on spacebar. Now you want to press shift and press the you want to get this comma. See how to get this comma. You you want to first in the keyboard. I will show you the image of keyboard. That time you will be understanding. So in this keyboard, you didn't want to get this comma. So you want to get this comma. For getting that comma, you want to first press shift on your keyboard and you want to press 9. So that time in PC also like this structure. So in that time, this is a laptop structure, and in PC computers also that structure. So if you shift and press the symbol, you will get the symbol, and you will get automatically the closing bracket by this. So if you want to write something, you want to type here, so let's type subscribe. Subscribe. So I'm typing here subscribe. I type this. You want to make sure that your typing letters should be, if space no problem, if not space no problem. Your typing letters should be inside the bracket and should be no color. So after that I want to run. So now it's a mistake. So let's do once again. So first you want to print and you want to put double inverted comma, so that time only it will become green, and then only you can do this. See, while doing this only you can get, see, the subscribe button. How to get double inverted comma? All are just putting this one comma and one more comma, not like that, it will not understand by the system. You want to first press on shift button and you want to press this, so that time you will get double inverted comma, and in two sides you want to put double inverted comma. And this thing will not become after while saving your, this is download erase, this is standard terminal, and this is expand college. So this will not come in your app, so not worry about it. So not worry about it. Just this will only come while downloading. It's only a thing. So now after clicking, you want to click the cursor to it. Like this, you can type many letters. So now next I will show you a code for doing this. Now we want to copy paste and so many things. So after before that, we want to go we want to discuss about more typing things. So you can type here like this: how are you, are you fine, hope, hope you are fine. So I type this much letters and that's done. So like this. So you want to type this full letters. You want to copy and paste it in so many columns. So how you can do it? So first you want to click on enter key and make so many columns. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We make 10 columns. So now I will show you a shortcut. This is a shortcut. If you are using a PC, this is the shortcut. If you are using a Mac device, this is the shortcut. So let's discuss about shortcut. It's better if you take a screenshot. So Control plus A means select all. If you want to select all, you want plus control. First you want to press control, and without relieving the control you want to plus A. Control plus A is equal to select all. Control plus C copy. Control plus V paste. Control plus X cut. Control plus Z undo. Control plus Y redo. Control plus F find. Control plus S save. So this is the code. You want to remember it by heart. So you want to remember it by heart. It's necessary and must. So now I want to print these lines in the full things. So first we want to select all. So select all. This is the column that control plus A. So let's type control A. See this fully selected, but we want this only two lines. So let's drag and copy. So now let's see control plus C. So for redoing, you want to just do the code. It's gone. So for redo, control plus Y, we can press control plus Y. So let's redo. See, it's a redo. So now we want to copy this. So let's control C. Control C. Okay, it's copied. Now we want to paste it by control V code. Control V. See, it's run. So now it's came as control click the button to run that I typed before. So like this you can copy and paste. In my PC, shortcuts are only shortly working, so it's a problem. So like this you can. So this is the basic main basics. So next we are going to teach you some basics. So this will can be I will teach you in the next section in the part 2. In the part 2 we will teach about various and max operators. So, now all think that maths it's very difficult and I don't want maths. This is not a math.